watch my rugby now that he's too old to play. He wears his favorite gummies and his rugby watching hat. It keeps his shiny head warm and it looks like our cat. You'd think we were the All Blacks, the way he struts about, up and down the sideline with his shirt tails hanging out. Mom gets so embarrassed and hides her head in shame, pretend she doesn't know him when people ask his name. Rugby, he loves his rugby. The thought of it just makes him want to shout. Rugby, he loves his rugby. If there's a game, old Dad will be about.